The Sony a7R IV has a built-in intervalometer which you can access by pressing the menu button, heading into the third menu list, and heading down to the interval shoot func option. Head into this menu option and turn on interval shooting. You can use this built-in intervalometer for shooting time lapses or multiple self-portrait images. You can set a shooting start time, which is how long the camera will wait before taking the very first image. You can set the shooting interval, which is how many seconds to wait between taking each photo. You can set this all the way up to 60 seconds. You can set the number of shots to choose how many total photos to take. Notice when you change a lot of these settings, the total shooting time updates at the bottom here. If you're using autofocus, you can set a tracking sensitivity, but I'd suggest using manual focus most of the time if you're shooting time lapses with this. If you head to the second page of the interval shoot func menu, you can set this silent shoot in interval setting option. This lets you choose whether to use the mechanical or electronic shutter during the intervalometer shooting. When you've chosen your settings, press the menu button to exit the menu or half press the shutter button, and you can see in the display here that interval shooting is now enabled. Now just fully press the shutter button to start the interval shooting sequence. If you want to stop the interval shooting sequence before the number of shots you set is completed, just fully press the shutter button again to stop. If you want more control, such as setting a longer than 60-second interval, you can use an external intervalometer such as this. This is the one I use, and I'll put an affiliate link to this down in the description below. For more videos on camera gear, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm Jason Roberts, and I'll see you in the next one.